distinct HG Motorsports performance exhaust system further enhances the Mercedes-Benz CLA250 2-liter turbo engine. Manufactured with direct factory fitment, this exhaust maintains interior harmonics while providing a more aggressive and refined exhaust note. This system is handmade in the United States with a 2.5-inch CNC Mandrel bent 16-gauge T304 stainless steel completely TIG-welded exhaust with single-chambered Helmholtz polished muffler. It provides 5-pound weight reduction while adding 5 horsepower. Available in 3-inch quad or 4-inch single-style double-walled polished tips. Become a part of the HG Performance legacy and live at Redline.